Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by identifying what kind of hexagon you have and gathering precise measurements. If it is regular, measure one side, label it A, and recompute using repeated checks to reduce error. Once done, measure the apothem if accessible. That gives a direct path to area. If irregular, split the shape into triangles or use coordinates. Make sure to note units and keep all lengths in the same unit before you calculate. You now perform the calculation depending on your path. For a regular hexagon, plug into area equals 3 square root 3/2 times a 2. Compute a 2 first, then multiply by 3 square root 3, then by 1/2. For an irregular hexagon, divide it into triangles from a common center or apply the shoelace formula to vertex coordinates, sum triangle areas. If you measured the apothem r, compute 1/2 times perimeter times r. Keep intermediate results to reduce rounding error. You finish by converting the result into the correct squared units and rounding with sensible precision. Then verify. Recompute area using a second method. For instance, recalculate one triangle or use the apothem approach for a regular shape. If values disagree beyond expected rounding, make sure your side measurements are correct, and for the shoelace method, that vertex order is consistent and non-intersecting. One key troubleshooting tip: remeasure any suspect side and recompute that portion.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.